Welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Forex No Deposit Nation. In this particular video, we'll be taking you all through the core process and details about OKTrading platform on how it actually works. Right? So firstly, I'm going to be sharing with you their trading certification, right? Just to show you that this is the certified trading company, right? Just to let you know that they are well licensed and regulated, and you can see their MSB license showing on the screen, and you too can check it up, right? I'll be dropping more details about this particular OKTrading, and I'll be explaining further instructions on how to go about it. And once you tap on the AI Signal here, you'll be able to have access to their various channels, right? Both their cloud AI trading channel, you'll be able to have access to it. Their GPT trading channels, you'll be able to have access to it. Their various channels, including their BTC ETH channel, their Grok AI trading channel. You'll be finding a lot of channels here. And going back to the main interface, you can either choose to download or use the web version just to register and get started on OKTrading, right? So I'll be going for the web version, but better still, you can choose to download the app, right, for easy convenience, right? And once you come to the sign up process showing on the screen here, just have to input your Telegram account, right? You can see enter your Telegram account and then your WhatsApp account number. Once you input these details respectively, including your email address, an OTP code will be sent to your email address. Once you input the email address respectively, you just have to request the OTP code, and an OTP will be sent to your email, and you just have to input it on this respective sign up. And once all these registration details are filled in respectively, you'll be signed up for this platform successfully. And once you are signed up, you'll be coming back to this sign in section, and once you input your email and password used while signing up, you'll be able to have access to this OKTrading platform. And here I'll be breaking down the important details you need to note. And firstly, once you tap on the next account detail, the particular cycle details here, you'll be brought to this particular dashboard, right, of this home screen interface, and you can see my balance showing a $74 on the screen, right? And on this interface here, you can see the deposit section showing on the left hand side on the screen, and the withdrawal showing on the right hand part of the screen, right? And I'll be guiding you guys through the more important details that you really need to note about this particular OKTrading, so you better understand that. So once you tap on the deposit section showing on the left hand side on the screen, right, you'll be brought to this interface, and you can see the cryptocurrency, the legal tender. These are the various means you can use by trying to deposit. And once you select your respective deposit section, you'll be able to fund your account so that you can have access to this trading platform. And once you tap on the previously cycled gift section showing on the screen, you'll be brought to this part of this trading interface, and here you can see the get a rebate on your first deposit of the day up to 10%. That's to show you that you can get up to 10% deposit rebate, right, on your deposit, right? The deposit you make for the day, you can get up to 10% on this rebate. And you can see ultra fast trading claim up to 15% bonus funds, right? And you can see applies to both modes, right? And you can complete this turnover challenge to win a 30% rebate on this particular trading account, right? So that you will better understand all this. And as I told you guys that I'll be explaining more details on how OKTrading works, how you guys can better understand that. So firstly, once you come to the calculation section, once you're about to trade with OKTrading, here you'll be able to calculate your trading turnover, the amount that you're going to be trading with, right? Just to give you a proper breakdown. For example, even though you'll be trading with a $70, once you input it on this calculator aspect, right, you'll be seeing a breakdown of the profits and how this account is going to go, the trades and how it's going to go, right? So once I input $70 on the screen, you could see the trade breakdown, the faces, the trade amount, the net profit, all categorized on the screen, giving me a clear and more detailed understanding on how my trades are going to go, dividing the $70 respectively into various trading aspects, right, so that I can better understand how it goes. And this is one of the right way to do it, whether you're having a $40, $50, for you to know the proper trades, the number of trades that you're going to be placing, the profitable trades, you need to go through this calculator section to have a better understanding of how it actually works, right? So moving on to the next aspect of OKTrading platform. And now I'll be taking you guys through the aspect on how to place trade on OKTrading, particularly regarding the BTC 28, right, so that you can better understand, right? So once you tap on the BTC 28 or the particular cycle section showing on the screen, right, you'll be brought to this interface. You could see the OKTrading, you could see the interface which I'm having on the screen, and here you could see the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and I'll be guiding you guys through the right processes. And also, to better take signals on this particular OKTrading platform, I'll be providing the links of the respective platform of where to take the right signal, to go about the details, and to get more proper guidance on how it actually works, right? So I'll be taking you guys through the color matching aspect of this BTC 28, right, so that you all better understand how it works, how to go about it, and make the best out of it, right? So once you come here, the particular previously cycled section, you could see the red, the purple, and the green. And to actually take these signals, right, what you just have to do is go for the red or the green. As I told you guys that I'll be providing more information on how to go about this process, so you better understand how to take the signals, and so that you can take the right signals and profit from it the right way, right? So since I'm going for the red, and under the enter the quantity, here I'll be inputting the amount of which I'm going to be trading with, right? So I'm going to be inputting 4 USD, and after I input it successfully and then I place this order, I just have to wait for the 1 minute to count down successfully, so that the result can be determined. That you could see my initial balance, which is from $74. It moved to 70 based on the fact that I used $4 to play the next trade, and we'll be expecting the result, the outcome of this particular trade, right, whether it's a win trade or a lose trade, right? And after this outcome generated successfully and this spinning moved to the next details, you could see the result was on red/purple. That's to show you that it's a winning trade. And from $74 balance, from $70 balance, my balance is now 78. That's to show you that this is a win trade and it's a profitable trade. And this is how to go about this particular process of participating in this color game, right? And this particular color trading is just one of the aspects of which you can trade on OKTrading, right? And going back to the particular aspect of the BTC/USDT, here you can trade directly and you can take signals to trade on this aspect, right? You could see the 1 minute trading, the 3 minutes, the 5 minute, all shown on this aspect, and you could see the big, the small, the odds, the even, and the quantity section, right, to trade here. And for more information about the details, as I told you guys that I'll be providing you all with more useful information in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section, so you better understand how it works. And in this video I'm still going to be explaining more detailed information which you all need to pay attention to as I break down this detailed in the best possible way, right? And moving on, what you can see on the screen is the OKTrading Signal group, and this is where you'll be finding vital information about OKTrading group, right? More information about them, their news information, their signal information, and their trade information. And you could see the transactions of this information. You could see the BTC trades, all the results which are going to be shown on this particular aspect of their trading group, right? You'll be finding useful information and proper guidance needed on this particular group just to guide you through the right path, right? And an important thing that you need to understand is that regarding the trading signals, right, it varies country to country, and the time zone of these trading signals on their Telegram channel varies. If you are residing in a country like Pakistan, Egypt, Nigeria, Venezuela, Colombia, and Spain, these are the time zone of which you need to pay attention to which signals are going to be dropped. If you are residing in Pakistan, for example, the time zone is 13 o'clock noon to 21 p.m. and if you are residing in Egypt, Their trading zone is around 10 a.m. to 18 p.m. right, their time zone. And if you are residing in a country like Nigeria, it starts at 9 a.m. to 17 p.m. That's to show you that if you are residing in a country like Nigeria, their trading zone starts at 9 in the morning, where you'll be able to find the 1-minute signal, the 5-minute signal, 9 in the morning to 17 p.m. in the evening, right? And if you are residing in a country like Venezuela, Colombia, you also have to pay attention to this time zone so you don't miss out on the proper trading signals, right? And moving on, I'll be talking about their compensation plans, right, so that you better understand. So firstly, the compensation is divided into 3 tiers, right? So firstly, USDT 10 to 49 USDT will be getting a 10% settled in USDT as a compensation plan on if you take a loss around, which ranges from 10 to 49 USDT, you'll be getting a compensation plan of about 10% settled in USD, right, which is quite amazing. And if the price range is around 50 to 499 USD, you'll be getting a compensation plan of about 15%. And if it's around 500 USDT, or better still, let me say above 500 USDT, you'll be getting a 20% settled daily, right, as the compensation plan. And these details are the important factors that you really need to know about how their compensation plan actually works. And I'm going to be explaining 3 rules that you really need to understand about OKTrading, the rules, the conditions, and the trigger, including their payout. Alright, and now we'll be talking about these rules, right? So for the first rule, right, the 5-minute, the BTC/USDT plus signal plus calculator, right, and you could see lose all 8 phases. And for the payout aspect, the 100% full refund of all trade amount. And for the rule 2, the 1-minute BTC/USDT plus signal plus calculator, lose all 8 phases, right? If that occurs, that you lose all 8 phases, right, you're getting a 50% of total amount lost, right? And for the rule 3, any trade, either the BTC or the ETH, any method, if you lose 10% to 49% that day, you'll be getting 10% daily compensation, right? And you could see the rule 3, any trade, either the BTC or the ETH, any method, if you lose $50 to $499 that same day, you'll be getting a 15% daily compensation. I've explained brief details on this particular aspect under the compensation aspect when I was explaining it. And moving straight to the 5th aspect, any trade which is around the BTC or the ETH, any method, right, if the loss is around $500 plus that single day, right, you'll be getting up to a 20% daily compensation, right? And these are the core important details you really need to know about OKTrading. And I want you all to have in mind that this is not a financial advice. These are the publicly made available information. And if you know you are going to be venturing fully into OKTrading, make your proper research, your proper finding, and after all this, you can choose to venture into OKTrading platform fully, right? This is how you really need to know about OKTrading. And if you'd love to see more of trading content like this, right, and how to go about the right way, don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with other traders out there so that this video can get to the right people who need to see this video. I hope you all have a lovely and profitable trading week ahead.